Innovation Minister Fani-Kayode has taken to X, formerly known as Twitter, to mock former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. This followed reports that he was reportedly bounced by Vatican security during Pope Leo's 14th inauguration. In the video making the rounds, Obi could be seen with Cardinal Francis Arinze talking with a Vatican security personnel while other dignitaries were going into the VVIP section for the papal inauguration ceremony. According to reports, the former Anambra State governor was stopped for allegedly failing to present the required invitation pass. Reacting, Fani-Kayode in a post on his X handle, formerly known as Twitter, mocked Obi, saying that the former governor was beautifully bounced until President Bola Ahmed Tinubu intervened. He wrote, "Despite Cardinal Arinze's noble efforts, it appears that Peter Obi was not allowed in to see the Pope. He was beautifully bounced until artificial bat put in a word for him, and he was later allowed in to pay homage." According to FFK, despite the intervention, Obi was not allowed anywhere near the Pope and instead went and paid homage to our president. FFK wrote, "Obedient, take note. Only go where you are accepted and appreciated, not where you are tolerated. We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV."